Hi everyone, my name is Harsha. Welcome to my VerTex review. So this is going to be launched on 11 a.m. Eastern Sunday time on 29 July 2021. So this has created by Mr. Mosh Bari, and it's a brand new software that is you can pump out any viral video, pre-made viral video within 60 seconds to any kind of a source, traffic source to get you a huge generation of making online money. So this is a kind of a massive free traffic application in any offer in any market, and you can just have to consume only 60 seconds to pump out any video, and you can escape from the rat race very effectively, and it is 100% newbie. You don't need to get in front of any camera, or you need not to create write anything for this brand new VerTex software, and no camera or no editing software is required, and it is no any other courses in fact, and it is a kind of a newly technology, and you can get this VerTex within 30 days money back guarantee as well. So with that I will just give you the nutshell of this VerTex software. So if this is something that you are searching interesting, so be with me. I will guide you through this VerTex members area, and I will give you a full demonstration how to create this video and how to edit, and how what are the facilities available in the this VerTex members area of this brand new software. So with that, I have created the bonus bundle to integrate with this VerTex uh, brand new software. So with that, you can integrate my all the bonuses that have been integrated from this bonus bundle to utilize this VerTex. So actually, I have made this bonus bundle in order to generate the huge traffic and huge email list for your campaign. So in this VerTex, that you will learn how to pump out this viral video, and that it is not giving you the how to get your traffic, or the how to building your email list from this VerTex. So I have integrated this kind of a bonus to use with the VerTex to generate your income and generate your email list for future reference. So that's how I've been create this bonus bundle to this VerTex. So I will just give you the briefing of this bonuses. So my bonus number one is the Access Gemini. So Gemini is a kind of a software that is launched earlier, and I will give you the full access of Gemini. So in this Gemini, you will able to get uh, the email list, or the building email list hacks you will get inside the Access Gemini. So you will able to utilize this VerTex and Gemini to creating your huge email list within a few days of time to generate a huge income in your bank like nothing. So that's how the powerful is Gemini. So you will get full access for Gemini to building your email hacks, and all other the kind of email marketing applications are available in this Gemini. So you will get the instant premier access to this Gemini once you have grabbed this VerTex. So my bonus number two is the 4 ways to get instant design inspiration. So uh, this inspiration not to steal but to inspire yourself from others. So there are 4 ways that you will get uh, instant access to design your own inspirations or your own designs by without stealing the others, by just inspiring others things. So that's how this the bonus has been created. So you can definitely will inspire like nothing but after undergoing this bonus number two. So bonus number three is the build your Facebook following path. So you can, after this tutorial, you will able to boost your Facebook followers fast, and you will able to get huge generation of the traffic for your Facebook campaign. So that's how this created this bonus number 3. So that will be integrated into the VerTex to create the to execute a Facebook campaign. So bonus number 4 is the lockdown formula, the Corona Buster. So you will able to get this Corona Buster, the reseller license of lockdown formula in order to get the 100% commission from this application. So that is the huge bonus that you will getting inside the VerTex that you are getting. So that's how this reseller license has been created of this lockdown formula to get 100% commission. So bonus number 5 is the special bonus from the vendor. So you will get access to all the vendors. I will show you the vendor bonuses in another few minutes. So you will access all the vendors bonuses inside your members area once you have grabbed the VerTex brand new software, the viral video creation software of this VerTex. So you have to just grab the bonuses before 1st of August. So till the 1st of August, you will get the instant access of all the bonuses with my bonus bundle. Otherwise, you have to just this bonus will be expired after the 1st of August. So you have to grab these bonuses with my bonus bundle with this VerTex to grab this all the bonuses and the get access or the get execute from these bonuses for your campaign as well. So I will just give you the method of accessing these bonuses. So you have to just click the link down below of this video, and once you have just clicked the link, you will just access to my bonus bundle page. So once you have access this bonus bundle page, so you have to just click any of this purple button. So once you have just click the any purple button of this bonus page, and you will able to access the sales page of this VerTex. So once you access the sales page, you just have to just click the purple button on this VerTex software, and you will automatically guide through the this Warriors Plus portal. So you have to just you will get the access to the Warrior Pass portal, web portal like this. So once you have just access the this web portal, you will able to get your VerTex software by just accessing your purchase this green button. So you can just access your uh, VerTex software, and just after this clicking this blue button, so you will directly go to my thank you page, and you can access my all the bonuses without any delay instantly in this thank you page by after just clicking the this blue button of the Warrior Plus web portal. So how this is how that the bonus has to be claimed by after just grabbing this VerTex. So with that, I will just move the sales page of this VerTex. So it is stated that they see how these simple pre-made videos send us thousands of free clicks on Autopilot every day, and it says that it can drive massive free traffic to any offer in any market and pump out viral videos in 60 seconds, and you can escape the rat race. And it is 100% newbie. Yeah, you don't need to get any in front of the camera or any camera equipment or editing software, no, not required. And 30-day money back guarantee, and the kind of testimonial. And it is said that it has the three simple steps. The first one is grab, then choose, and flooding your traffic inside your vertex, and over 80 traffic sources, and kind of a testimonial of the users, and the statement of this producer, Mr. Mosh Bari, and the other benefits of the vertex that you have been when you have been used, and the other all the features of this vertex has been integrated for this sales page. And it says that the imagine having a constant flow of buyer traffic the affiliate links, coaching consultant, e-commerce stores, application downloads, online courses, software, like everything. So, and major platforms in you can crush your these videos in major platform like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitch, like any other, and all the testimonials of those have used by the VerTex, and the features, main features of the VerTex, and this is the thing you are getting, the brand new software and quick setup wizard, then the over shoulder tutorial, and you can just go with your own time this page. Once you have just click the button of this my link of this down the link of this video, and you can just access the this sales page and my bonus page too. So I will just give you the bonuses by the vendor. So bonus number one is the figure store builder, and the bonus number two is the clone plugin. Bonus number three is clip back auto commission, and the bonus number three is the four is the affiliate booster, and the bonus number five is the live chatbot plugin. Plus the bonus number six is pop up profit that you will get by the vendor side. So that's how this the vertex sales page has been created, and how this have been things are organized inside the vertex. So this is the man Mosh Bari that he has been created this one, and so how this has been created. So you can just go in with your own time by just clicking the link down below of this video, and you can just access the sales page by after my clicking the my bonus page purple button. So that's the things have been created. So I will just move to this most awaiting the demo, the members area. So this is the members area of this vertex, and you can see it is having a pink kind of a bar having stated that the vertex, and in this right uppermost side you can see that your profile. So, and the left align, you will hit the serials of templates, this your design, social blast, training, upgrades, and support this in the left align, and the middle part of this the vertex window, you will see the all the designs or the templates that can use that can be used for your campaigns instantly without any delay. So that's how the dashboard of this vertex has been created by the vendor, and so we will go into the inside of this each and every module, and we will see what we can do and what will be there inside the front end of this vertex. So we will just choose a one this template, and you will able to get the access in another window by just after clicking this vertex. So sorry. So let's see what we can do inside this members area by just clicking the elements that have been pop up. So you can just search any videos by searching any kind of a keyword, and you can just search any kind of a image that you want to insert of this video, and any text type of text that you will able to insert, and the elements, any elements that you need to create the modify the customize your the niche or your choice inside this video by clicking any kind of things like this. You can just move anything, you can do whatever the thing you want. So that's how this has been created, and the filters, you can add filters. In the audio, you can just add the any video for this the video, and you can just choose the layers as you want, the ample of layers type that the creation that the come and pop up. Likewise, you can just do this. So you can right side you will get these settings of this each and every element of this left side of the vertex. So that's how the templates have been created. So I will just move to this. My designs is the the designs that you have been created already, and it is already saved inside the my designs part, and that you can reuse in future. So this is the social blast. So you will get over 80 traffic sources inside the social blast of the vertex front end. So that's a huge blast as per the vertex side. So that will get training and upgrades and support this inside this uh, front end of this vertex. So that is all about this members area, and you can just go through. So you will also get the training facility of this vertex, so don't worry about any kind of this other, like other software. They will give the software, but without any training or any other hints or the master guide of this the training. So this the vertex inside embedded training is also there, so you can uh, just go through and you can just get the training before that you uh, going to execute your campaign, or the making your templates, making your videos, so adding, dropping, deleting, cutting anything before you can just grab the training. So that's kind of a facility have been embedded, inserted of this vertex. That's why this is the is different from others, and it's a brand new software that you're getting. So with that, I will go to the prices of this vertex. So it is cost around the only $19. So you can buy this software from just $19, and the upsell number one is $29, upsell number two is just $39, upsell number three is $197, upsell number four is $39, and the finally upsell number five is $197. So these are the benefits that you will get inside the members area. So it will drive massive traffic, and you can pump out your viral video within 60 seconds, and you can escape the rat race and the 100% newbie. You don't need to get in front of the camera, and no campaign, no camera requirement, no editing tool required. So you will get 30 days money back guarantee. So I will give you the brief again, the my bonuses. So you will get the access of Gemini for your email campaign, your email marketing, and the kind of a building list of the campaign. So verse number two is the 4 ways to instant design inspiration, not to steal but to inspired. And the bonus number three is the boost to Facebook followers fast. And the bonus number four is the reseller license of the lockdown formula. There is a Corona Buster, that is the 100% commission tool of the bonus number four, and all the vendor bonuses that I have mentioned earlier. So you will get all these bonuses inside the members area of this vertex front end. So that's the how the upsells and the bonuses the vertex have been created. So I have come to the end of this review, and you have to grab this opportunity before these the bonuses have been expired. So before 1st of August, you have to grab this with this bonus bundle. Just clicking the link down below of this video. With that, you will able to get all the bundles without any delay, as I mentioned earlier. So just click the link down below of this video. So if you like this video, just hit the like button and just subscribe my channel for future updates. Thank you very much.